Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a Transporter T6.1. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS into this using a KENWOOD's T6.1 integration kit. This allows the SOS button to maintain, to be able to work. Doesn't give you any error codes on the clocks. It also allows us to utilize the USB sockets there on the center console. You can also get into your car settings via pressing the phone button 5 times on the steering wheel, and then you can go in and adjust all the car settings. This also has got a rear camera attached to it, which is in reverse, and you get the there we are, comes up on the screen. I can turn that off like that. And then if you want to have this done in your Transporter T6.1, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.